Hi, Maddie and Monica. Okay, so I think a really good resource that Maddie will be able to use to supplement math review for the remaining school year is a website called SplashLearn. It's also a downloadable app that you can put on any device. So it's splashlearn.com/student. The class code is, let me get typed in there, XOJFNW is our class code. And you can see I already added Maddie. So all she has to do is click on herself. And then her password is, oh, it's still cap locks. Hold on. Clip 15. I didn't make that up. The program just generates a password. So Maddie's password is clip 15. Sign in. All right, now when you get here, I'm not going to assign her anything. I'm just going to have you go to curriculum, and I'm going to have you guys choose what you want to work on. I know money and time is definitely one of those that we want to work on. So you're just going to scroll down past all of these second grade skills, and here you can see there's money, value of coins, counting money, adding, subtracting money, making change. I also know time is also another one of those areas that we wanted some extra support in, but I don't think Splash Math has anything related to time unless I missed it, but it definitely will be good for money. Oh, I missed it. It's right here. Never mind. So tell time to the quarter hours, which is exactly the second grade standard. Tell time to 5 minutes, and then using AM and PM. And then all you do is click start, and it walks them through practice. Let me know if you have any questions.